Hello again. So finally I have time to make the other video right away. Maybe it will not be uploaded at the same day, but we will continue our request lists with upvoting and downvoting. The only problem with that is that we will need to know like for everyone, for every users, if you already upvote or downvote this request. Because if he did, I shouldn't count it anymore. Like he shouldn't be able to see even these patterns, for example. So to do so, we'll go in our database and we'll create a new table, and we can, for example, call it vote list votes or like user votes. And for this, we just need an ID, which is primary and auto increment, and we need a user ID, which is a varchar of 20, and we need request ID, which is integer. It's fine enough. I will not put anything else. I think it's a bit pointless, so I will save, and that's it. Like, this is really basic. We could add a lot of more things, but anyways. So in our vote list model, we'll create many functions. Sorry. Uh, let me think 1 second. We need to make a new function in the model, which is like vote update request vote, and here it's like up or down, so it's just like value. So if value is more than 1, is more than 0, then we'll have data upvote, which will be as equal 1. But okay, I also here the request ID, okay, let's comment this right now and start again. So first thing we need to do is to get the request. So request is equal to this get request with this request ID. Second, we need to say that if value this, we need to say that data upvote is equal to the request upvote plus 1. Else this is this down vote plus 1. And here I will remake the check to see if this is less than 0, just in case it is 0 for some reason, and I don't know. Okay, then I can do this db where, and here id request id, and then this db update, and this is which one, vote list, yes. Okay, and there is also something else now to change, so we need the user ID for that. Okay, let's make a new function. It would be better, just in case we need later. Public function, and this is set. How is it? Set. set user vote, and here we have the request ID. And in that case, we have data user ID, which is equal to this session user data, and we have ID and data request ID is equal to the request ID, and then we just have this insert in the vote list user votes. Make it like this. Let's check quickly. User votes. Yes, user request ID. Okay, so oops, this should be okay. And now we just need to do at the end here this like that. So I know there is like little problems. Let's say that, for example, it can be that this works, for example, this query works, and then this one doesn't work anymore for some reason, like the server is shutting down exactly at the right moment, at the wrong moment. And I could make this how is it called, this batch, I think it is. It's called igniter, but I just want to go fast and just like do the theory behind it, because anyway this project now is just in beta version. It will be if it works, like if I start to have a lot more people, then I will probably redo it from scratch with another framework and maybe with more friends. So I don't know. So now it's like this. It's really like prototyping, and that's it. So okay, this should works. So here we can make now two functions, for example, that we will use mainly with JavaScript. So function upvote request, and here we have the request ID, and this all it does is that it loads this with the right function update request things, and here we have one, and here we have also downvote. Oops. So downvote request ID, and here we can put -1. So this is all we need. Then in the list here we'll go take this script, just okay, paste here. Okay, so here we have vote request ID, and here we have like a value, for example. Okay, so URL will change. So it is upvote or downvote. So if value more than 0, then we upvote, else if value less than 0, and typo, else return false. Okay, this we don't need, this we don't need, this we don't need, this we can keep. Yes, yes, yes. So that's it. Actually, this is all we need. So here the A, we will change it to span again. Span, the href, we can change them both with onClick. vote requests, and here we put request ID, so php echo request ID, and after the comma we'll put 1 here and -1 here. We'll just add a little confirm, so var response equal confirm. Are you sure of your vote? Okay, I have to write in French. Êtes-vous sûr de votre vote? Okay, and if we don't have any response, then we just return false, and that's it. Okay, good. So let's check it out. Okay, it's not anymore. I will have to change this and it's to span class equal text primary. I think this is primary. Yes. Okay, so let's check. If I click here and it should go okay. I've got a request 500. Why so? Okay, I have probably an update and I forgot. Which line is it again? Line 63. 63. Yeah. I am updating and I forgot to put the data. Okay. So now I click again. Yes. Now I have also an error. Missing argument 1 for vote list. Minus 57. Probably I forgot to put here in the request ID. Here I forgot to put slash plus this. Okay. Let's try again. No, here I need to refresh. Yes. So here, problem. What is it? 73. 73 insert, and again I forgot the data. So here it's like the basic example, like I think the vote worked exactly, but it did not show in the in here it's not. So vote lists. Okay. Okay, here let's put it back to null. Okay. So now let's go back here. Let's make the check also like where should we make the check for the if the guy already voted or not for this request? I think the best, like the most interesting, like to make it work quite well, is to go in the list here to have like for each request, because we have it here, we can do the request ID, and we can give a user vote. and here we can put the request ID. And here's like a lead user vote. And here we can go in the model, and here public function get user vote request ID is db where request ID is request ID, and where user ID is user ID, and user ID we can take it from here, and then we have q is equal to this db, and this is get what is the verb, and then we return q. No, okay, let's return for force. So if yeah, actually it was on q, then rows super more than 0, return true, otherwise we return false. Okay, let's just check also if it worked, because actually we still don't know if it worked or not. So here we have 0, and now I click yes, refresh, put everything, no error, perfect. Now let's go check the database. Here I already voted, so it's fine. Now apparently I didn't have any mistakes here, so let's go in the list, and here can I check, like for example PHP, if requests did vote, or what was it, user vote. So now here if I refresh, okay, it's working fine, but I have this kind of a problem. I need to put something anyway, because otherwise it looks ugly. So let's put this without the text primary and without the on click. Oh now. So now if I check again, I have it black. If I click, nothing happened. Perfect. And also I want this text primary. Okay, I will add the class pointer, which is just to have the cursor pointer. This custom class. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now last things to do, and it's working already. Perfect, in some kind of 1 hour and 40 minutes probably, is to put this by kind of rank, like the total of upvote and downvote. So for example, let's try to downvote actually. Yes, it's working. So Here I can delete both. Yes. Here both lists. Here I will put back null. Here also. Perfect. And now in here in my model I want to order by. So this db order by, and here we'll have fun because I'm not so sure about how to do it. By yes, can I do this? Vote minus down vote task. Can I do this? Let's see. It will know soon enough. Apparently it is kind of working. So now if I upvote this one first, yes, and no, not working. So let's try to check what happened. Echo this db last query. If I do this, I should see it somewhere here. So does this works? SQL execute. Not really. Okay, let's check SQL order by operations. Order by 6. Great. Close. Blah blah blah. Try workload. Ah, okay. Oh, it's not what I wanted. Order by operation on columns. Probably this is more what I want. Order by rating by task. Apparently this is supposed to work. So let's check again. Okay. Otherwise I can do a usort as well with PHP. Okay, let's do usort. It will go faster for me right now because I don't want this video to be again 3000 minutes. So usort, yay! I think this is UK sort because I want to keep the keys. Now you are sort. Yes, it is you are sort. Okay, so where can we do it? Let's make it here then. At the end, sort rank. So we have A and B. So now we have to make operation with A up vote minus A down vote is equal at the same that with B. I will place this and this. Okay, and now I should be able at least to take this UI sort here requests, and maybe I can do it here already. Data request equal this and sort rank. Yeah, let's try. I highly doubt that it works right away, but in here, so I can remove this. So let's check it out. Oof, invalid argument for each. 29, 29, 29. Data requests. Why so? That is working. Of course it is. Um, it's just this. So you're sorting that totally messing around. Okay, let's do it otherwise. Let's put it in the view. Here, here for this we can do you are sort of this request sort rank. Okay, if we remove this we don't need it anymore either. But still not working. This here. Maybe this must be inverted because I have no errors. So it can be also. Yes, it is. So that's it. Now it works quite well. We're happy with that. Oops. So this I can save it all and save it here again. And now, for example, I want to have on my dashboard I don't know what to do. Second move. Okay, anyways, so you got the concept. I will now try to put it on my dashboard like here, like the three last ones, and we'll see how it goes. But this is the end for this video. So see you next time.